My featured home of the day is 10439 Heritage Road in West Mobile, Alabama. This home is in the Baker High School School District. It is 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths. It's almost 2,500 square feet. This is the D.R. Horton Hawthorne floor plan. It has a 3-car garage. The kitchen features beautiful quartz countertops, tiled backsplash in the kitchen, along with stainless steel appliances. This has luxury vinyl plank flooring in the living areas. What a fabulous pantry. This home offers a covered back porch. You have a separate entrance here in the primary suite. The primary suite offers 2 walk-in closets. The primary bath has dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a tiled standing shower. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, make sure you tell them that Frankie Wink sent you. My services are free for buyers.